Hello everybody, this is Just Too Crazy and Reacting and Dogs. This is my dog Jax. He is 3 years old and I'm pretty sure he's in his late 20s, and he is a wiener dog bred with Chihuahua. He is very nice and loyal. He protects. He barks. He is quite the troublemaker. And Jack, say hello to the camera. He's really goofy and he really loves to play. Stop it, Oliver. That is my cat. So, meet him. He is a great dog. He still monkey bites and does all that goofy stuff. He's just a puppy and he's really loyal and a good companion. Hey Jax, come here, boy. And that shall be it. Bye guys, I hope you like this video and subscribe. And also give a link and go to my brother's channel. The channel name is Like David Hill, and subscribe to his channel. And this is a video wrapped up. Goodbye.